So that's wildlife of the Woo. There's an old fence post. Dirt's definitely been eroded away. That's like a tree branch or something here. Piece of siding, shed. Beer bottle. Yes, a piece of pipe. I think there's somebody's wagon underneath the big old willow tree that fell. So I dug out underneath the willow tree, and here's all the brush, and there's a red wagon. Not too shabby, huh? So the water was all the way up to the bank, over the bank, on either sides. Some little pipe going across. Alright, so now the water is flowing directly underneath the tree instead of going in there and eroding all that out. It'll go pretty much straight now. Alright, so I got some to divert that way, going through some muck. So hopefully this will all flush out in the next heavy rain. Alright, so that's about the end of the fence. That's where it widens right there. Somebody's old chimney or something, I don't know what that is, but so I cleared all this out pretty much. All the way down. So we should open it up quite a bit. Here's some plastic. Get rid of that. We got this all the way down. Backyard. And it's clear pretty much most of the way down. Alright, so we pretty much cleaned out the middle, any sticks, all the way down. So it should be pretty smooth sailing for the next storm. This area here has a tree root. I should make a good passage. Looks like a vine or something. So far, so good. There's wildlife of the Woo. And let's open this up. All the way down. made this little canal right here, so it diverts. Maybe the next storm that'll open up. We got it all the way down to this big willow tree that fell. And that's where I cleared out the wagon and put all the brush. And it kind of routed its way around there, dug out a lot of soil. But see what's up with that side, but that's it for now.